Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about whether Medicaid counts your home in Wisconsin. So the short story is a home. If you have one home, it is an exempt asset. It means they don't count it, they exclude it. But it's a little bit of a trap because if you're single, for example, and you go into a nursing home, yes, the home is exempt, but they can recover against it later on. The estate recovery department in Wisconsin, which is a department inside the Department of Health Services, they can go after the asset after you pass away. So the home, it is exempt, right? But it's a little bit of a trick. It's not protected. It's just okay at the time of application, and then the problem you'll find is after you pass. Now the state can take a claim against it. Either they'll file a lien or they'll wait till the probate is filed and file a claim as a creditor. And so that's how they can recover against it. Now, if you're married, the same applies sort of, but if you're married and one spouse goes into the nursing home and one spouse is out living in the home, that's the community spouse. And then at that point, the home is protected and they won't recover against it as long as that community spouse is living there. That said, we never know if that's going to happen. There is always the risk that you both go in at the same time if you're married. And if that were the case, then again, the home would be exempt, but estate recovery could recover against it after you pass away. And this is, of course, why elder law attorneys generally like irrevocable trust done in advance so that when the time does come, you don't have to worry about that sort of thing. So the short story is, yes, the house is counted sort of, right? It gets excluded as an exempt asset when you apply for Medicaid, but there is ways for the state to recover against it later. So yes, the short story, the house is counted, and it is exposed to liability if you don't have it in an irrevocable trust or didn't do some advanced planning, usually 5 years in advance of going to the nursing home. I hope you found this video useful. I'm attorney Vince Hein with Hein Law Office. Thank you so much.